Here's the Nokia G21. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. After you've done the setup, then you can go ahead and insert the SIM card, or you can go ahead and look in the description below to see how to insert the SIM card. Okay, so first thing is, if you turn on your phone, you got to choose your language. You can tap up here and choose the language that you want. I'm good with English in the United States. I'm going to tap on Let's Go. It says here, connect to mobile network. If you have a SIM card, insert them now. Now you can go and insert it now, or you can insert it after setup. It doesn't matter, okay? So for myself, I'm going to go ahead and skip it. Connect to Wi-Fi. So let me go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi. Let me get the latest update on this Nokia. After you put the password in, tap on connect. That's it. It says connect it right there. Update phone. Your phone needs to download and update and restart. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on next and let it update, and it's going to go ahead and restart. You get a progress bar here, so just be patient. Okay, just about done, so it should be restarting now. Still waiting for it to restart. So I restarted and it brought me back here. So I'm going to go back with English here. I'm going to tap on Let's Go. Insert your SIM card. Remember, I'm going to skip that. I'm going to put my SIM card in after I'm done with the setup, but that's going to be in another video. Now we're at copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more from a different device. Okay, so if you tap on next here, you can see you can bring your data back from a backup from an Android phone as well as a iPhone, or you can do a backup from a cloud. Okay, but for me, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go back. And what I'm going to do is tap on Don't Copy, because I want a clean, fresh slate on this phone. So I'm going to click on Don't Copy. Now it's asking for my Google account, which is my Gmail. You can go and enter your Gmail with your password, or if you don't have one, you can create an account, or you can go ahead and skip it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and skip it, and I'll do mine like later. And I'll skip that right there as well. Google services, you can go ahead and read through these. These are all actually optional, but for me, I'm fine with all of these toggled on. I'm going to tap on accept for myself. Unlock with fingerprint, basically a fingerprint password. You can skip that, and then you can always do it later if you wish. For me, I'm going to do it now. I'm going to tap on next right there. Now I need to go ahead and make a PIN password, like a 4-digit. So after you enter it one time, tap on next. It's going to ask you to reconfirm it. I just re-entered my new PIN that I just made. I'm going to tap on confirm right there. Okay, now it says touch the sensor. The finger sensor is on the power button. Okay, it's not on the screen, it's not on the back of the phone, it's on the actual power button. Okay, so I'm going to tap on start right here, and I'm going to put my thumb on that power button, on, off, and I feel it vibrate, off, vibrate, off, vibrate, off, and keep on going to that circle completes. Just keep on and kind of move your finger around. Get like different areas of it. Almost there. Okay, there we go. Now, from here, if you want to, you can add another finger, or you can do it later as well. Okay, I'm fine with just my thumb here. I'm going to go ahead and tap on done right there. Now this is the Face ID password, so if you want to do the Face ID password, just tap on next. It's really easy to do. For me, I'm going to skip it. I don't care about the Face ID. Review additional apps, you can go ahead and review that, and then tap on OK. Continue setup, yes, I will continue, so let me tap on continue down there. Stay up to date, you can go ahead and put your email in there to stay up to date. For me, I don't want nothing sent to my email, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on no thanks. You're nearly ready to go. By tapping let's go, you'll agree to join the user experience program. So for me, or you can always go not now, and you can go ahead and join later if you wish. Okay, that's all up to you. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and put not now. I'm not even interested in that. And there we go. We are up and running. So if you guys want to see how to install the SIM card next, go ahead and look in the description below. All right, good luck.